Hey YouTube and anyone on Facebook I post this to. This is Sky Mama 65. Just kind of looking at the trees here. We are due for another 4 to 6 inches of rain tonight. And it's going to be raining again tomorrow, off and on. We are expecting more flash floods, some of which are posted on YouTube that you can go check out. As you can see, my yard's pretty safe. I do have some downed trees on the other side of that rock wall there, hitting my garden, and on the other side of the house, over there, my apartment, and a couple of others. But, you know, and these guys seem to be pretty safe. They're fairly young, but they are starting to whip around a lot. We've just had some strong gusts, and of course I turn on the video and they stop. Well, maybe not. There we go. There we go. Woo. They are getting stronger. Wow. And because the ground is so saturated, trees that are on hillsides, the roots are all, you know, unstable now. It's too wet to hold on. And we've got a lot of trees down all around. And I think probably a lot more tonight. At least that's what they're saying. That and more of the flash floods because of the runoff and the extra rain. All right, just keeping you posted. Take care.